Alright, welcome to part 2 of complex numbers. Okay, now we're going to talk about adding and subtracting complex numbers. This is very, very easy. Okay, you can go back to your middle school days of adding and subtracting polynomials, specifically binomials, and all it really boils down to is combining like terms. Okay, complex numbers work the same way. Alright, here's our basic formula for adding and subtracting complex numbers. We have a plus bi, okay, it's any complex number, plus or minus, so addition or subtraction. Another complex number that we're going to call c plus di. We're just going to use different variables. All right. Anytime we add or subtract, okay, this process is going to work the same. You're going to take a and c, which are the real number components. And whether you're adding or subtracting, you're going to add or subtract them. And that gives you your first part. And we're always going to have plus, because if this ends up being negative, well, it'll cancel itself out. So b plus di comes from, or b plus or minus di comes from the addition or subtraction of our imaginary parts. Okay, so we're taking bi and di, we're just taking the coefficients there. We're going to add or subtract them, and we're going to tack on I. Alright, let's look at an example. We have 2 plus 3i plus 5 plus 6i. We're going to take our real components first. Alright? So 2 plus 5. Now we're going to add our imaginary component. We're taking 3 plus 6. And whatever we get there, we're multiplying by I. Okay? Because that is our imaginary part of our answer. So 2 plus 5 gives us 7. 3 plus 6 is 9. We tack on I. And there's our answer. 7 plus 9i. Alright, now what if we wanted to subtract those? Okay, all we do is change the sign. The process works the same way. We're going to take our real components, 2 and 5 that we're subtracting this time, plus our imaginary component. So we got 3 minus 6 times I. Alright, now we simplify. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. 3 minus 6 is also negative 3 times I. Now we can make this look better. So negative 3 minus 3i. And there you go. There's addition and subtraction in a nutshell. Okay, no matter what example you use, no matter what problem you use, it will work the same way. Okay, just use your formula and you'll be fine. Part 3 is coming up. We'll be talking about multiplication. That's probably the one you can't wait to see. See ya.